Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs vlog here. So today our topic is all about the Yukon Community Pilot, and I will teach you how to apply on this program. Please stay tuned until the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So guys, I will teach you how to apply on this program, and again we're going to jump into my computer. So okay, we're here in the website. We're gonna go on www.cic.gc.ca. Then we go English, and then here on the search bar we're gonna go on Yukon Community Pilot. So under here, we go on Yukon Community Pilot. So under this page, we're going to go about the work permit. So according to the website, it says here that three different employers in one participating Yukon communities is valid for 12 years and doesn't need a labor market impact assessment, the LMIA. And the communities that are participating on this Yukon community are the Whitehorse, Watson Lake, Dawson City, Haines Junction, Carmacks, and Carcross. So under the work permit eligibility, to work the work permit, you must have at least 2 or 3 or eligible job offers. The job offer requirements here is the must have all be the same participating Yukon community, and they must add up at least 30 hours per week, or in total of per year of 1,560 hours. And also here on top, the requirements are the have a signed letter to support the government of Yukon, and then meet the general requirements for work permit. So the documents you need before you apply is you need a copy of a nomination letter from the government of Yukon confirming that you've been nominated for a permanent resident, and a signed letter to support the government of Yukon, the starting of the employers offering the job need to work in the community as soon as possible, and the job offers are genuine. The details of the job offer, including the names of the employers, the occupation, number of hours, and location. So how to apply for work permit? So under here, you must apply online for the work permit. And then under here, select where you're applying from to see an instruction, or where you from applying. So here you go, if you're outside Canada, so you go outside Canada, and then continue. So here's the how to apply if you're from outside Canada, for example India or in the Philippines. This is all you need. Apply online. All you need is to scan, or if you have a camera, to create an electronic copy of your documents. And if you have also visa, pay for any fees if needed. And then create online account or sign in. You go pay your fees, submit your applications, check your status. And then here you can create your account. That's all you need is to create an account here. Then the third step would be check the country specific application requirements. So again, if you are from India, so you just search here India, and then here's the PDF file. Check on that one. So in India there are 3 visa offices that you can go, and then here's the checklist. What do you need on your application? Just follow these instructions here. And again, same thing on other countries. Like for example, if you go to the Philippines, same instruction. But in the Philippines, there's only one office in the Philippines that it's in Manila. I think it's in RCBC building in Makati. So same, just go on this checklist, check everything here. What are the requirements? Just follow this one here, guys. I think there's 3 pages in here. 3 or 4. How many pages are they? There's lots. Sorry, there's about 6 pages here. So just fill in this documents here and then scan it. Okay, so let's proceed. Number 4, prepare your answers to get your online checklist. And then after that one, there's some instructions here. So the Yukon Community Pilot is running from, it was been launched of 2020 of January, and it will be run for 3 years. And so we go to the general requirements for the work permit. So here's the eligibility requirements for the application. So you need to prove to the officer that you'll be leave to Canada with work permit, and then this is the requirements application on this part here. And then there's also the eligibility requirements for if you're applying outside Canada. So we go how to apply. If you're outside Canada, how to apply. So you can apply for work permit online. And same thing on this one here. Why should apply online? So this one here, no carrier fees or mail delivery time. Online application may be processed more quickly. Avoid processing delay. And then if you need to ask more documents, you need to quick submit them online. And you need to submit your passport until we ask for it. So you have to wait instructions here. Then get the update on the status of your application through your online account. Okay, so and then after you apply, you need to give your biometrics. And then we process your work permit application, and interview officer, go to an interview, more information, then that's it. So guys, you can check my other videos on this channel, and you can see all those nominee programs that you can maybe you can have some ideas. Just check on my channel. So to find a job here in Yukon, all you have to do is to go on the website, the www.indeed.ca, and then all you have to do is to go on Yukon. So on Yukon, go find jobs. Of course, you have to sign in your email account, and you can sign in and create your resume here. So, and then they have here a class 1. They have some jobs here. So all you have to do, guys, is to change the Yukon to the Carcross in Yukon. So there's 6 participating Yukon communities. You can change this part here and go find jobs. And then they're looking for a bus driver. They're looking for an English teacher, a freelance, administrative assistant. There's lots here, you know. And again, you can change again here to it's Haines Junction, for example. You go find jobs again, and they have also here school bus driver, psychology expert. There's lots of jobs here, guys. But if you know what is your skills, you can type it in. Like for me, I'm a draftsman, so I go drafting. I go search here, so there's none in here. So if you're gonna go housekeeping, you go housekeeping. You just keep on searching, guys. And if it's not in here in this place, you can go search on any other places in Yukon, okay? Or you can type here Yukon, and then go housekeeping. Then you can find housekeeping in Yukon. So it means that in Yukon, there's 6 places in Yukon here. So for example, in Watson Lake, this is part in Yukon. And Dawson City, they're looking for a housekeeping attendant, hotel cleaner. So it's in Whitehorse. So this is a different place again or different community in Yukon. So I think this is very straightforward, guys. If you need some help, just let me know. And again, you can comment down below for more if you need some assistance on how to create or find a jobs here in Indeed. So there you go, guys. So again, shout out to those people who click the join button. If you want to shout out to my channel, please don't forget to click the join button. That's all about it, guys. I hope you've learned a lot on my videos for today. And again, if you have any question or suggestion, please do comment below. And you can also share this video and my other videos to your friends and relatives that are planning to apply to Canada. This is NoyTebs. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day, and God bless everyone.